Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get your image onto a wine box, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a wine box, here's what you need. A 24-inch wide Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a blank insert which will slide into the wine box, a heat press 20 by 25 inches or larger, and some craft paper. Once you have the finished design for your wine box insert, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to tape our insert onto the print. This insert will later slide into the wine box. First, we'll peel away the plastic layer. Now that we've done that, we're going to set the insert on top of the print and center it out. And then we'll grab a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape to tape it in place. And now we're ready to press it. Before we place our item onto the heat press, let's set a sheet of craft paper down first. Now we'll take our wine box insert and flip it over so that the paper is on top. We'll set another sheet of craft paper on top of that, and now we're ready to press it. We're pressing this one at medium pressure, 400 degrees, for 60 seconds, and when the timer's done, it will alert us. When the press is done, open it slowly. We have our heat gloves on to remove the piece, as the item will be very hot. We're going to first remove our craft paper, and we'll carefully remove our wine insert. So now we're going to remove our heat transfer tape. We're ready to slide our insert into our wine box. And we're done.